Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. To make sure your live location is tracked properly in TrackHr, some phone settings need to be configured correctly. In this video, we will learn which settings are required, where to find these settings on your phone. Let's begin. First, open the TrackHr app on your phone. As soon as the app opens, you will see the home screen. Now, click on the three bars next to Home in the top left corner. Scroll down to the bottom. Select App Info. Here, click on the red-colored battery option at the top. Now click on the first option, Phone-wise Settings Guide. In this section, you will see the recommended settings according to your phone model. You can follow these instructions to set up your phone correctly. The next option is Battery Optimization. When you click on it, you may see a message. Battery optimization is enabled for this app. If it asks for permission, allow it. On the next screen, Allow background usage. When you click on Allow background usage, you will see another setting option. From there, select Unrestricted. Now, go back to the previous screen. Your battery optimization is now disabled. Now click on Auto Start. Search for Auto Launch, because some phones use this name instead. If you do not find the setting, there, type Auto Start in the search box. Then enable it for TrackHr. In some phones, the Auto Start screen opens directly. There, select TrackHr and enable it. Now go back and select the third option, Battery Saver. Here, turn off battery saver, set background power usage to Don't Restrict if this option is available. Next, click on App Info. Now, select Permissions. Then select Location Enable. Allow all the time. After that, click on Settings to open your phone settings. Sometimes, all settings may not be configured correctly from the TrackHr battery saver option. In that case, use the search box in phone settings, search for battery options. Check whether the settings match TrackHr requirements. For example, background activity should be enabled. Power usage should be set to Don't Restrict. These settings may be different on different phones. You can always use the Phone-wise Settings Guide option to check which settings are required for your phone. Where to find them? This will help you configure your phone properly for accurate live location tracking in TrackHr. Thank you.